300. Di ba, yung mga gebos, scripted?
All in.
Okay, sige.
Done deal.
Done deal. Good afternoon, guys. So I'm here in Toyota Makati. We're going to get one car, Vios. So we are also trade partner here. Ito yung kotse. Surprisingly, no, ang baba ng mileage na around 3,000, 4,000 for its year model. Kasama ko si Boss Larry, the #1 certified T-Sure assessor here in Toyota Makati.
Yes.
Idol Boss Larry. Check natin yung kotse. Interior-wise, okay naman siya. Ano ba yung history ni client, Boss Larry? Ba't niya binenta?
Ng history kasi ng unit, actually nagpa-service lang siya eh.
Okay, pa-service si client.
Nagpa-service, EMS, regular change oil. Tapos, nadaanan niya yung race namin sa showroom.
Nice.
Yung brand new race namin. Na-amaze siya dun sa itsura ng race. Kaya namin nakuha to.
Yes.
So, si customer ngayon, naka-brand new race siya.
Boss Larry, when you say trade-in ba, how does it work?
Usually, ang trade-in kasi, ito yung mga customer na mostly nag-upgrade. Kalimitan na ginagawa, yung mga tipong gusto nilang magpalit ng bago, gagamit sila ng down payment ng sasakyan nila. So, ito yun.
So, sa madaling salita, dalhin lang nila yung kotse nila dito sa Toyota Makati, look for Sir Larry, then we'll appraise our car, any brands, kami na bahala doon, appraise namin, we'll give you a best offer, very transparent kami, very professional dito, at you're in good hands dito sa Toyota. 2023, may freebies pa si client, 2,989 odometer only. Grabe, bago po. Actually, na-inspect na namin to. Re-inspecting na lang ulit. Wala naman na bago. Interior, exterior, tires, lahat, manuals, kompleto. Check natin sa loob yung documents niya. So, itong color na to, jade green, very rare. Boss Albert, guys. So, yung t-shirt head natin dito sa Toyota Makati. So, if you want to trade and upgrade your car, just look for Boss Albert and Boss Larry, of course. 300. Di ba, yung mga gebos, scripted? Ako, taas naman.
All in.
Okay, sige.
Done deal.
Done deal.
Thank you, all cars and multi-cars.
Thank you, Boss Albert. Toyota Makati #1.